Hello everyone, we are going to provide a series of tutorials on how to use a derivative trading and risk management system. This is the first one of the series. In this episode, we'll give you an overview of FinPricing, that is a capital market trading and risk management system. First, we'll show you how to download and install the application. Then, we will give you an overview of functionalities. Finally, we'll walk you through on how to book a trade. Bring your browser and type FinPricing.com. That will bring you to the company website. Click download. On the download page, you can find the free download button. Click it. The download file will appear at the corner of your browser. Right-click the file and open it. Sometimes Windows Smart Screen will pop up a warning message. Click more information. This application is actually certified by the third-party authority, so click Run Anyway. An installation windows pop up. Click Install. After installation finish, sometimes they also pop up a message. Click More Information. Click Run Anyway. Now, the application login windows show up. Since this is the first time you using this system, you need to register first. Click Sign Up and fill in the information. The password, address, country, after you fill all the information, check the agreement, then click Sign Up button. So here as a window say OK registration, you click OK, that bring you back to the login window. Type the email and password. Click Login. That bring you to the main application window. By the way, this application will be installed either on your Windows shortcut or you can find it in your Start menu. Start menu. Here it is, FPENT client. That means FinPricing Enterprise client. Click this one and it will bring you to login. Okay, so now we're back to the main window. On the top left, you can see they have some major control tabs. The first one called Trade, that gives you the ability to manage your trade. So you click Trade, extend the trade. So you can see here you have an interest rate trade, you have fixed income trade, money market trade, equity trade, foreign exchange trade. So you can see FinPricing as a truly cross-asset system. The second one called Data. You extend the data, you will see they have interest rate data, FX data, equity data, and market data in general. So that gives you the ability to manage data. Third, core back office. That gives you the ability to manage all your back office activities. So you click it, you extend the back office, and allow you to manage your account, manage your organization, manage your portfolio, and all the back office activities. The first one called batch and risk. That allow user to manage their end of day batch or calculate risk metrics. So you click it, you extend the batch, you will say it can allow you to automatically your end of day, allow you to manually run some applications. The last one called general. Click it, extend general. It allows you to configure your system and provide the tools to manage your activities. So today, in the following tutorial, we'll go through each of them in details. In this episode, we will walk you through how to book a trade. So before you book a trade, first you need to create a portfolio to hold your trade. So you click back office, you extend your portfolio, you select your book. After that, you will click new button. A new book template will appear in the main display area. So the first one, you did input as a parent name. That gave you ability to build a hierarchy of your portfolio. Since this is the first portfolio, so you leave none here. Then you need to fill the name. So here, you can choose any name you want. Trader's name, asset, desk, whatever. So let's give a name. The currency, you can choose your currency. Holiday, you can say this is NYC, this is US holiday. A legal entity, if you trade in the US, you put US. And the status active, and then you fill all the form, all the information, and you click save button, and it will show you book saved. And you can double check. You click book, you click load, then all the information will be here. Now next, if you trade derivatives, you need a counterparty. So you extend organization, you select counterparty, you click new. The counterparty template will appear here. The first, you give the name of your counterparty. Let's say I have Citibank. Short name. So Citibank. Give address. Okay, after you fill the form, you click save. Now your counterparty is saved. You can also double check. You select your counterparty, you click load. The counterparty information has been loaded. That means the information is in the system. After you create your portfolio and the counterparty, now you can book a trade. So click the trade, extend the interest trade, you select interest rate swap. Interest rate swap is most commonly traded derivatives. Now, then after you select swap, you click new. So a swap template will be displayed in the main window. So this is a three area. The first two columns will give you the basic information about swap. So you need to select a book. So the book we created before, and then the counterparty you create, and then the status you can choose either active or test. So you select active, then you have put the trade day. I did already show you what format you should put. So first as the month, then the data, then the year. Then the second two columns will give you the leg 1 information. So the leg 1 tab is fixed. Pay receiver, the fix you can choose actually fixed or flow. Let's say we choose fixed. And the second is pay or receive. We select pay. Currency is USD. The notional, let's say we choose 2 million. And you can select your rollover, your day count. Let's say the day count is actual 360. Canada will be New York. And the payment frequency, we select 3 months. The start date, let's say we have a 10 years swap. Day. Fixing rate, this shall be in your terms and conditions. Currency, you can put any currency, let's say USD. Then the following index, which is not applying to the fixed leg, so you just leave it as that. And then the last two columns define the second leg. So the leg tab, saying you can choose float, pay receiver, you can choose receiver. So make sure two leg, one is pay, another is receive. And the notional 2 million. And also the day count be actual 3000. Okay, there's New York. Payment frequency is 3 months. The start date shall be the same. Then you fill the end of day. So the fixed rate not applying to the floating leg, and then you need to fill the index tab. So let's say index will be 3 months, and okay, and they have a spread. This is 1 bip spread. So after you fill all the information, you double check. And another way to verify it is trying to price in that trade. So click pricing, sets the start to price that trade. Okay, so now you get the results. So that means this trade is okay. So you go back to the trade tab, and then you click save. Okay, this trade has been saved. To double check that, you can select swap. You're trying to load, and it will give you a choice. You either search or Explorer. So except you know exact trade ID, otherwise you select Explorer, then click Go. So they have come a selection Explorer window. You click Book, you click the book you create, then all the trades in that portfolio will be displayed on the window. So then you select that trade and click Go. So it will be load this trade. Okay, so in this episode we have provided you give you information how to download and install a trading system, and you can see two things you need to remember. One is the website, which is FinPricing.com, and the application name as FPENT client. Compared to the other system in the market, they usually need to take years to set up to go live. With this FinPricing, which is using a new technology, let user to use the system right away. Thank you for watching.